DJI is set to disrupt the action camera market with the imminent launch of its newest product, the Osmo Action 5 Pro. This upcoming model is expected to be a substantial improvement, maybe establishing a new standard in the industry. Historically, the Osmo Action series has been a formidable competitor to GoPro, yet it has often lacked certain key features that have given GoPro the upper hand. However, with the introduction of the Pro model, DJI aims to address these gaps and elevate the Osmo Action 5 Pro to the pinnacle of action camera technology. The buzz surrounding the Osmo Action 5 Pro began to build when Igor Bogdanov tweeted a teaser about an upcoming DJI product. This was soon followed by another tweet from Oida LV, who not only confirmed the Pro tag for the Osmo Action 5, but also shared its FCC listing ID. The appearance of this FCC listing indicates that the camera's release is on the horizon. Last year, DJI strategically launched the Osmo Action 4 in August ahead of GoPro's release schedule. It is expected that DJI will employ a similar strategy for the Osmo Action 5 Pro, potentially unveiling it in the second week of August. There is considerable speculation that DJI might introduce two variants of the Osmo Action 5. A base model and a Pro version with enhanced features. To outshine the GoPro Hero 12, the Osmo Action 5 Pro will need to offer substantial improvements. A significant upgrade is anticipated in the camera's sensor, with expectations pointing towards a larger one in sensor similar to the one found in the Osmo Pocket 3. This larger sensor could enable the Osmo Action 5 Pro to capture 5K videos at up to 60 frames per second. Although this is yet to be confirmed, the larger sensor would also enhance image quality, especially in low-light conditions, an area where action cameras have traditionally underperformed. The Osmo Pocket 3 has already shown notable improvements in low-light performance, thanks to its larger sensor and advanced image processing capabilities. From a design perspective, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is expected to maintain the robust square-shaped body and dual-touch displays characteristic of its predecessors. One potential upgrade that could set the Osmo Action 5 Pro apart is the integration of seamless connectivity with wireless microphones. The built-in microphone on previous models has been less effective at canceling background noise, often necessitating an external high-quality microphone. If DJI can incorporate seamless wireless mic connectivity, it would be a significant advantage for filmmakers and content creators. Given the Pro design, DJI needs to ensure the inclusion of professional-level features to effectively compete with GoPro. Despite these anticipated improvements, GoPro still holds an edge in terms of image quality, offering a sharper and more refined action camera experience. However, DJI's focus on resolving overheating issues, a significant problem for GoPro, positions the Osmo Action 5 Pro as a formidable contender. If DJI can deliver on the rumored upgrades, it could finally surpass the Hero cameras in terms of resolution and overall performance. In summary, the Osmo Action 5 Pro has generated significant excitement, and its anticipated release in August has fans eagerly awaiting its arrival. If DJI fulfills its promise of pro-level upgrades, it could redefine the action camera market. The question remains, will the Pro tag make a significant difference, and can DJI finally surpass GoPro? I guess we will just have to wait and see. So, that's all about the upcoming DJI Action 5 Pro. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.